Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Hytale for free, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Hytale for free on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Hytale here, and then you're going to click onto hytale.com here. After that, you're going to click onto download here. Just click download for Windows, then download this installer. Once it's done downloading, open it up to install the Hytale launcher on your computer. I've already installed the Hytale launcher, so I will not install it, but once it's done installing, then it will ask you to sign into your account. So I'm going to open up the Hytale launcher now. It will show you the window like this. You'll have to click on here and then you'll either sign in or create an Hytale account. Once you're done with that account process, now you can go ahead and play Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.